Did the French Civil Code influence other legal systems? Have you ever wondered how one legal document could shape the laws of entire nations? The French Civil Code, created in 1800 for under Napoleon Bonaparte, is a prime example. This code was a major reform of French civil law, aiming to create a unified legal system by replacing the confusing mix of feudal laws that existed before. It introduced important principles like equality before the law, freedom of contract, and the protection of private property. The influence of the French Civil Code can be seen throughout Europe. During the Napoleonic Wars, France occupied various regions, which led to the adoption of the code in countries such as Italy, the Netherlands, Belgium, Spain, and Portugal. These nations either adopted the code directly or made adjustments to fit their own legal needs. For example, the Italian Civil Code of 1865 drew inspiration from the Napoleonic Code, while Germany incorporated elements of it before establishing its own civil code in 1900. But the impact of the French Civil Code does not stop in Europe. Its reach extends to Latin America and beyond. Countries like Bolivia, Chile, Ecuador, Colombia, Uruguay, and Argentina created civil codes that were significantly influenced by the Napoleonic model. This was largely due to the cultural and political connections formed during the colonial era and a desire to modernize their legal frameworks. In the United States, the state of Louisiana stands out as a notable example of the Napoleonic Code's influence. Thanks to its historical ties with France, Louisiana's legal system includes elements from the code, setting it apart from other states that mainly follow English common law. From a broader perspective, the French Civil Code marks a key moment in legal reform. It not only unified French law but also served as a model for other countries aiming to establish clear and accessible legal systems. The code's focus on codification, where laws are written in a single document, contrasts with common law systems that rely on judicial precedents. This approach has shaped legal systems worldwide, leading to a more organized and predictable legal environment. Practically, the French Civil Code has influenced how legal practices and institutions operate. It established the principle that judges should interpret the law based on the code rather than creating law through precedent. This has resulted in a system where judicial decisions are guided by the written law, although significant court decisions can still serve as references for future cases. Overall, the French Civil Code's impact on other legal systems highlights its lasting legacy in European history. It has played a central role in shaping civil law systems across the continent and beyond, reflecting the broader effects of French legal reforms on global legal development.